making turkey like place card table setting for your Thanksgiving. Or you can use it for your table arrangement. So you're gonna need any kind of fall colors. I have brown, orange, red, and yellow. To make our turkey, you're gonna need some sort of glue, either hot glue, glue stick, the liquid glue, a pen or a pencil, and something round to make our turkeys. Okay, so what we are going to do is to make the body. I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use yellow for our turkey. If you want to go with brown, that's okay. So you're going to trace out your circle. Hands in the way. Alright, so we have the one circle. And now you're going to place this a little bit above. And you're going to trace out, around, and you're going to stop there. So this is the body of our turkey. Next you're going to make a half circle from this to make the stand for our turkey. So you're going to determine where half is. Mine has like this little lid separation. I'm going to go with that to make my half circle. And then you are just going to draw a line to go across. And then you'll make one more of these. So I'm starting where my line is. To make our half circle, this is what is going to support our turkey. And you're just going to cut these out. Oh, I forgot, you need scissors too. You're going to cut your turkey out. Don't cut on this line, have it as one whole piece so that you have like a peanut type shape. And if you had a pencil eraser or a pen eraser, you could erase this line. So I'm going to have to use this side. If you had like googly eyes, you could use those as your eyes, but I don't have those currently. So we're just going to draw them out. So we're going to make an oval, and then a round, and then color in the pupil of the eye. And do the other thing for the same eye. This would not show up on the brown too well. Then you're going to make a beak and then draw like a little line going parallel to your beak. And then that's our turkey face. So we are to make the back side, or actually let's put our feet in first. So you're going to find the center by folding this over slightly and make a line, and then draw a line with your pen where we folded it slightly. Do the same thing with your other one, just to get it started. Let's see, determine where I want this on. You probably want to put it like right here like this. So find the center of your turkey and then draw lines next to your turkey here. And you're going to cut those. These might, depending on how much you want to stuff in there, you'll have to make your lines longer. So you're going to cut on these lines. Again, if you didn't want these lines to show up, you could do them on the opposite side of your turkey. So you're just going to cut the lines, and they should slide in like that. I might have to make my line a little longer because it's not going in there good. So it all depends. gonna slide them in, and he should set up like this. Now we are going to make, you can glue this in if you want them to be permanently in there. Now we are going to make our wings. So you're just gonna make like a fan. So you're just gonna fold up like this. Then flip the paper over and try to get as close as you can to the other fold you made. It doesn't matter if it's not like perfect, but it kind of does, but not really. So just try to keep matching your bottom piece. This one's a little crooked. This might be really heavy. You're going to take your piece and you're going to fold it in half, and then you're going to put glue right here, and you're going to stick the top part to this panel right here. So we're going to create like a fan. So you're going to take your feet out from your bird, you're going to put glue on the back side of your circle, and then you're going to place it right on your turkey so the point ends right here. It'd be better if you hot glue this, but I had to hold my turkey body to the wings for like 50 seconds. And then you're just going to slide your feet back into your turkey, and then he's all set to go on your plate. Alright, I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you make this beautiful plate topper, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.